Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from homesickness with AIFS step by step clearly. Recovering from homesickness can be challenging, but with the right steps, it can be manageable. First, acknowledge your feelings. Understanding that homesickness is a common experience helps normalize your emotions. Next, reach out to friends and family. Regular communication can provide comfort and reassurance. Then, immerse yourself in your new environment. Explore local attractions, cafes, and parks to create new memories. Make a routine to establish familiarity. Having a daily schedule can give you a sense of stability. Connect with fellow participants. Sharing your experiences can foster friendships and lessen feelings of isolation. Engage in activities you enjoy. Whether it's reading, sports, or art, doing what you love can distract from homesickness. Consider journaling your thoughts and experiences. Writing can be a therapeutic outlet for your feelings. Practice mindfulness or meditation. These techniques help ground you and reduce anxiety. Set small, achievable goals for yourself. Accomplishing these can boost your confidence and sense of belonging. Volunteer or participate in local events. Giving back can create a sense of community and purpose. Finally, be patient with yourself. Healing from homesickness takes time, and it's okay to feel this way. By following these steps, you can begin to embrace your new surroundings and move past homesickness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.